In a stunning reversal that has sent shockwaves through the LGBTQ plus community and beyond, Trinidad and Tobago's Supreme Court has reinstated the criminalization of consensual same-sex sexual acts. This decision, handed down last week, overturns a landmark 2018 High Court ruling that had repealed the so-called buggery law, a relic of British colonial rule dating back to 1925. The 2018 judgment, a moment of jubilation for LGBTQ plus rights advocates, struck down a law that had cast a long shadow of discrimination and fear over the lives of countless individuals. The celebratory tears shed on the steps of Port of Spain's Hall of Justice 7 years ago have been replaced by a profound sense of disappointment and uncertainty. The government's successful appeal against the 2018 decision marks a devastating blow to LGBTQ+ rights in the Caribbean nation. The swift and decisive nature of the Supreme Court's ruling underscores the precariousness of hard-won legal victories in a region where deeply entrenched social and religious conservatism often clashes with fundamental human rights. The UK Foreign Office has responded by issuing updated travel advisories for LGBTQ+ travelers to Trinidad and Tobago, highlighting the significant risks they now face. The irony of this situation is palpable. Trinidad and Tobago, a nation renowned for its vibrant and uninhibited carnival celebrations, a spectacle of joyous exuberance where hundreds of thousands of people, regardless of sexual orientation or gender identity, parade the streets in a dazzling display of freedom, simultaneously harbors a deeply conservative undercurrent. This paradox reflects the complex interplay of cultural traditions, religious beliefs, and societal norms that shape attitudes towards sexuality. The island nation's rich tapestry of religious faiths, Catholicism, Hinduism, Anglicanism, Islam, and various evangelical denominations, exerts a powerful influence on public opinion, often fueling resistance to progressive social change. This intricate web of belief systems has created a climate where deeply held religious convictions frequently outweigh considerations of human rights and personal liberty. The Supreme Court's decision echoes a similar ruling in Jamaica in 2023, where the court dismissed a similar case, deferring the matter to Parliament. This trend highlights a disturbing tendency among some Caribbean courts to abdicate their responsibility to uphold fundamental human rights, instead shifting the burden of legislative reform onto already overburdened and often politically resistant legislative bodies. This tactic effectively delays and often prevents meaningful progress on LGBTQ+ rights, perpetuating cycles of discrimination and injustice. The reinstated buggery law hangs heavy over the LGBTQ+ community in Trinidad and Tobago, casting a long shadow of fear and uncertainty over their lives. The fear of persecution and discrimination is a daily reality for many, impacting everything from their personal relationships to their professional prospects. This chilling effect has a far-reaching impact, discouraging open expression of identity and limiting access to vital healthcare and social services. The 2018 victory felt like a breakthrough, a significant step towards equality and recognition. Now, that progress is threatened, raising concerns about the future of LGBTQ+ rights not only in Trinidad and Tobago, but across the Caribbean region. The fight for equality continues, but the recent setback underscores the immense challenges that lie ahead. The international community must continue to pressure governments in the region to uphold human rights, while local activists and advocates must persevere in their pursuit of justice and recognition. The struggle for LGBTQ+ rights is far from over, and the resilience of the community in the face of adversity will be crucial in the years to come. The legal battle may have been lost, for now, but the fight for equality and the pursuit of a more inclusive and just society will undoubtedly continue. The vibrant spirit of Trinidad and Tobago's carnival, a testament to its diverse and inclusive populace, stands in stark contrast to the legal reality facing its LGBTQ+ citizens, serving as a powerful reminder of the urgent need for legislative reform and the unwavering commitment to fundamental human rights for all. The international community must remain vigilant, providing unwavering support to LGBTQ+ plus individuals and organizations working tirelessly to achieve equality in a region where progress remains fragile, and the fight for justice is far from over.